Hello students, in this video we are continuing pinacolon rearrangement. There are some conditions in which pinacolon rearrangement doesn't take place. What is the condition? If see, if there are strongly electron withdrawing groups are attached, then carbocation will be very unstable, so it won't formed, and we can say there won't be any carbocation formation, so the reaction will not take place. Like suppose this kind of molecule we are taking as a reactant. Then we can assume that there will be protonation of hydroxyl group, and then water will leave as a leaving group, and we expect that there will be formation of a carbocation. But what is the problem over here? These CF3 groups are very strong -I groups, that is, they can impose a very strong negative inductive effect, so they will withdraw electron density towards themselves and making this carbon more positive, so there will be increase in positive charge, and that's why the carbocation is highly unstable. So this reaction does not take place. So what you can learn, that if it's strongly electronic withdrawing groups are attached at the carbons which are going to be carbocation, which are going to be converted into carbocation, then this sort of reaction will not take place. Next thing, a very important suppose I take this kind of molecule, so what will be the product? So let's see. First of all, there will be protonation, so any of the OH group can be protonated because this molecule is a symmetrical molecule. So suppose this is your protonation step. In next step there will be loss of water molecule. So there will be formation of a carbocation. Now what we can assume, like this lone pair will start forming a pi bond, and due to that this pH group should migrate. and in the last step there will be loss of a proton to give the final product. But actually in this reaction this product is not being formed, means this is not the product. Why this product is not being formed? See, this carbocation is quite unstable. The reason is there is a 4-membered ring, so there is very high degree of angle strain. Like being a carbocation, it will try to have a angle of 120 degree, but being a 4-membered ring, the angle will be 90 degree, so there will be angle strain of 30 degree. Okay, so what can be the other alternative process that it can go? See, when I am transferring this pH from this carbon, like let's say this is first carbon, this is second carbon, so if I am transferring phenyl group from second carbon to the first carbon, then initially there is a formation of a carbocation at the second point, and it will have the same angle strain of 30 degree because it is also being formed at the 4-membered ring. So like if I draw it, this sort of condition will be there for a while, and then this lone pair will start forming a pi bond. So this will have the same angle strain of 30 degree. So these two carbocations are quite unstable. Okay, so what can happen? There can be an alternative pathway. See, this lone pair will participate in the pi bond formation. So rather than the migration of this pH group, if this bond migrates towards here, then you will have this sort of molecule. And now if you can see, there will be, like if I draw the resonating structures of these, then this sort of carbocation will be there. So it is a 2 degree carbocation having a benzylic angle, and the angle strain is not there because now it is a simple acyclic carbocation which can easily make an angle of 120 degree. So this carbocation is free of angle strain. So now what will happen? This will release a H plus, and this sort of product will be formed. So this is an example of ring contraction in pinnacolone rearrangement. Is that clear? Now we take some problems of pinnacolone rearrangement. Suppose this is your molecule. So there is ethyl group, methyl group, ethyl group and methyl group. So the carbocation can be formed at any carbon because the molecule is symmetrical. So let's say this hydroxyl group is getting protonated. So this will be carbocation. Now this hydroxyl group will start forming a pi bond. So these two groups should migrate. So see, this is ethyl and this is methyl, and the migrating aptitude of ethyl is greater than methyl. So ethyl group will migrate So this will be your condition. This will be your product. Suppose this is the pinacol we are taking as a reactant. So again the molecule is symmetrical. So any of the hydroxyl group can be protonated. Now there will be loss of water molecule. This will be the carbocation. Obviously it is a strand carbocation. So this pi bond will be start forming. So this bond will be broken down and there will be ring expansion. There will be 1,2 bond shift. There will be 1,2 bond shift. So initially you will have this sort of reaction. This bond is coming to the migration point. Now there will be loss of H plus. So one ring will be 4 membered, but another ring will be 5 membered, and there will be a ketone. So it is a kind of ring expansion in pinacolone rearrangement. What will happen if we take one small ring and one large ring? Suppose there is a 5-membered ring and there is a 4-membered ring. So first of all you have to apply the concept, that is initially that hydroxyl group will be protonated, which will generate more stable carbocation. So now you can see if this hydroxyl group that is at the 4-membered ring will get protonated, then the carbocation will be at the 4-membered ring, but on the other case it will be on the 5-membered ring. So as you can assume, larger rings can show better conformation, so they can accommodate the positive charge well by having an angle of nearly 120 degree. So this will be your carbocation, or if you want me to write the whole step, then this hydroxyl group will get protonated, then there will be loss of water. So here you will have a carbocation and there will be hydroxyl group. Now you can understand the carbocation or the positive charge is on a 5-membered ring. So 5-membered ring, that is having a initial internal angle of 108 degree, which is near to 120 degree. On the other hand, this 4-membered ring will have a internal angle of 90 degree. So there will be angle stand of 30 degree. On the other hand, there will be angle stand of only 12 degree. So it will be more stable. That is, the carbocation on the larger ring are more stable than the smaller rings. Now what will happen? These pi bonds will start coming to form the pi bond. So there will be bond shift. So again it is a case of 1,2 bond shift. So this will remain as a 5-membered ring. And there will be formation of ring expansion. Now there will be loss of proton. So both the rings will become 5-membered and there will be a ketone. So this will be your product. Now suppose we are taking this sort of molecule, then what will happen? See, first of all you have to identify which hydroxyl group will get protonated. So if you see over here at this carbon, then there will be three alpha hydrogen. On the other hand, if you see at this carbon, then there will be 4 alpha hydrogen. So having a 4 alpha hydrogen will be more stabilizing effect for this, because in this case there are 4 alpha hydrogens, and these 4 alpha hydrogens will produce greater hyperconjugative effect. So we can say that this hydroxyl group will get protonated. Now this hydroxyl group will start forming pi bond. Now there is again a new concept in this question. This is a very important question. First you have to apply general organic chemistry concept, how to in order to determine which hydroxyl group should get protonated. Now another concept is there. Now this hydroxyl group is coming to form a pi bond or to give back bonding. Now obviously there will be ring expansion, but there are two options. This bond can also break and this bond can also break. Again you have to check the migratory aptitude. Migratory aptitude says the more electron rich carbon or the more electron rich species will get. Now due to presence of this methyl group, there will be plus hyperconjugative effect. So this carbon will be having more negative charge as compared to this carbon. It will be more negative, it will be more negatively charged than this carbon. So it will migrate over this point. So if this group is going to migrate over here, if this group is going to migrate over here, then you can understand there will be formation of this group migrates at this carbon. So you can assume this is already bearing a methyl group. This is already having a methyl group. At this position, and this is having the methyl group at this position. I think you can understand this. The point of detachment is this, so this point is going from here to here. So the methyl group will be at this position. So now there will be a 6-membered ring which is attached to a 5-membered ring. At this point you will be having a methyl group, and this point you will be having a ketonic group. Is that clear? So this will be the product. Suppose this is the molecule which is going to pinacol rearrangement. So first of all, again we have to check which OH group will get protonated. Both are going to be benzylic. This is having methyl group, so there will be 3 alpha hydrogen, and this is having ethyl group, so there will be 2 alpha hydrogen. So obviously this hydroxyl group will get protonated. This will be the initial condition. Then there will be loss of water molecule. So there will be formation of a carbocation. Then this OH group will start forming a pi bond. So now which group should migrate? So obviously there are only two groups, either ethyl or either this bond. If this bond goes to over here, then it won't be stable because this is a ortho substituted phenyl group, and I have told you ortho substituted phenyl groups are very poor migrating groups. So obviously ethyl will shift. So there will be 1 2 ethyl shift, and then there will be loss of proton. To give the product. Is that clear?